If they're giving away too much and they're just not doing good business, chill out and hang in there, because they're going to be out of business pretty soon, because that's a lot to incentivize a customer. The other pieces that I want you to realize is this. Number one, trust your process and weather the storm. What they're doing is a great way to get business right now and a freaking terrible way to sustain in business. What do I mean by that? They turn your customers, when you give people 50 grand, 250 grand, you look a little bit different. Did I see you with Justin Timberlake in a Super Bowl halftime show? They turn into who? Janet Jackson, Miss Jackson, if you're nasty, from the 90s. What have you done for me lately? Dun, 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 dun. So it's just not a good way to get customers, because you're going to give me 50 grand. Then I'm going to find out that you gave Chris 100. Now I'm going to be pissed off. It's not a good way to do business. You don't care about that because you're suffering from them doing that right now. Here's what I will tell you. Number one, don't bring it up preemptively, okay? Don't bring it up preemptively. Don't be like, hey, our competitor's doing this, which I'm sure you're probably not doing. The other thing, when a client or a prospect does bring it up, hey, the other guys are going to give us 50 grand, stay cool, calm, and collected, and the first thing out of your mouth should be, I've heard they're doing a lot of that. Just out of curiosity, why do you think they're doing that? That's it. Why do you think they're doing it? And now all of a sudden, all the frustrations that are going on inside your soul will also go on inside the soul of the prospect. They'll be like, well, I mean, they need to get market share. Use your Easton University. When you say they need to get market share, can you give me a specific example of like why you think they would need? I'm just curious why you think they would need to do something that drastic to get market share. Yeah, because they're probably not selling their memberships or whatever it is. That's what we've been hearing. We've been having a lot of clients come over to us from that outfit. I don't know what's going on over there, but I will say this: we really focus on the client and on the outcomes. We price everything, very, very fair and according. We keep our prices as low as they possibly can be. We would never be in a position where we're essentially buying business to make up for our ability to deliver for our customers. We focus on the outcome versus a coupon. Does it make sense for me to put together a quote so you can see? And I forget what you're selling, but then you're focusing on the outcome there, right? Now, here's the last piece of that. A, we're not going to bring it up with them preemptively and say, hey, did you hear about this? Because if they didn't, they're going to have to go check that out. B, if they bring it up, we're going to say, just out of curiosity, why do you think they're doing that, right? Nobody's going to answer because they're super loaded and they just want to give their money away. They're going to be like, their product probably sucks a little bit, right? And they might even say, but it's a lot of money. 250 grand is a lot of money. And then C, you need to be locked and loaded with your net outcome statement. So when they go, listen, I get it. I totally understand there's probably a reason why they're giving away the money, but I can't pass up on the money. You're going to agree with them and go, totally understand. I will be here when you need blank. Not what you sell, but the outcome of what you sell, right? So like if I was a sales coach and another sales coach was giving away $50,000 if you signed up with them, I'd be like, man, just out of curiosity, why do you think a sales coach is having to pay $50,000 to have people sign up? Well, because they need people to sign up because they don't have to sell anything. They have to buy that doesn't make sense, right? Boom, problem solved. But what if they're like, yeah, you know what, Matt, we got to go with the $50,000 check. Totally get it. Hey, I will be here when you need to actually take the company from 17 million in top line revenue to 23 million. Fair enough? And it's like, whew, let them take the check. And then guess what? They'll cancel and they'll come over to you because you're going to stay focused on the outcome that they're going to get when they do business with you, not bribing them to get them to do business with you. All that said, you're in a sucky position. Weather the freaking storm. Weather the storm. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.